Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, and I'm delighted to show you around this fantastic little used Skoda Citigo 1.0 MPI Colour Edition. Finished in red and powered by 1-litre petrol engine delivering 60 PS paired with manual transmission, this Citigo offers simple and efficient everyday driving. At the front, this Skoda features halogen twin headlights with integrated LED daytime running lights for excellent visibility. It sits nicely on 15-inch black alloy wheels, which not only enhance the visual appeal but also provide stable and comfortable ride. At the back, Citigo is equipped with darkened rear lights and a high-mounted third brake light for extra visibility. Despite the compact size, the Citigo offers practical boot space, complemented by 60/40 split folding rear seats for extra flexibility when carrying larger items. Passengers in the back benefit from comfortable seating with height-adjustable rear headrest. ISOFIX child seat fittings provides peace of mind for families, making the Citigo a practical option for everyday use. The driver's seat features height adjustment, ensuring comfortable driving position, while the cabin is finished with smart black detailing around the instrument panel. The Citigo comes with height-adjustable 3-spoke steering wheel. The instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, displaying essential driving information. On board of this vehicle, you'll find manual air conditioning, which keeps the cabin cool and comfortable, whatever the weather, and the simple infotainment system equipped with radio swing system, delivering clear audio for everyday listening, and plenty of connectivity options, including smartphone connectivity and dedicated holder to keep your devices accessible on the go. You also get plenty of simple menus, allowing you to adjust basic functions to suit your needs. This has been a presentation of the Skoda Citigo 1.0 MPI Colour Edition. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.